Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a LEGO review of LEGO City Demolitions Expert set 60073, and it's the service truck. As you can see, you get this portable toilet and also there are two minifigures in the set, and this is from 2015 to 2017. And also you get this crane that lifts portable toilet off the trailer, and also you get two safety fences. As you can see, this will make a nice addition to your LEGO City, especially if you're going to have like a construction site. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos. If toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships, my contact info is in a link in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.